Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to arctan of 2x. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have number 2 over 1 plus 4x squared dx. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change for u. This one we change for the u over number 2. So the integration of this one we have like this. So number 2 and number 2 we have number 4. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.